In this video, I will demonstrate how to effectively convert a PDF document into a Google Doc. This process can be quite handy when you need to edit or collaborate on the content within a PDF. Before we proceed, I encourage you to hit the like button if you find this guide valuable, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable and contributes to the improvement of our content. Have you ever found yourself needing to convert a PDF into a Google Doc for editing or sharing? It's a common challenge, but I'm here to show you a simple solution. Let's get started. Step 1. Accessing Google Docs. Begin by opening Google Docs in your web browser. Click on File, located in the upper left corner of the Google Docs interface. Select Open, and then click Upload. You'll be prompted to browse your computer for the PDF file you wish to convert. Locate the PDF file and select it by clicking Open. Unfortunately, you'll receive a message indicating that PDFs are not supported for direct upload in Google Docs. Step 2. Using Google Drive. To work around this limitation, open a new tab in your web browser. In your new tab, search for Google Drive to access the official website. Click on the plus New button on the left side, then choose File Upload. Locate the PDF file you want to convert on your computer and select it by clicking Open. Your PDF will be quickly uploaded to Google Drive. Now, you'll find your PDF file in your Google Drive storage. Click on it to open the file. Google Drive will display a preview of the PDF. Click on Open with Google Docs at the top, and the conversion process will begin. The PDF content will be converted into a Google Doc, and you can make any necessary edits or changes. Step 3. Saving as a PDF. Once you've finished editing and wish to save it back as a PDF, go to the File menu. Select Download, and then choose PDF Document. Your edited content will be downloaded in PDF format. By following these steps, you can efficiently convert a PDF into a Google Doc, making it editable and shareable for your needs. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this video helpful, as your support encourages us to create more content like this. Subscribing ensures you won't miss any of our future tutorials. Thank you for watching, and for more tutorials and resources, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.